Hi there. I wanted to jump on and give you a step-by-step guide on how to become a homeowner in Canada. I find that, home ownership is very possible. It's very, very, very possible in this country. We just have to get the knowledge and the know-how of how to do it. I've been a homeowner before. I've been a renter. I am able to walk you through the process from A to Z. So take a look at my channel. I want to walk you through a step-by-step guide to help you become a homeowner. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a parent looking for a family home, or someone who thinks homeownership is out of reach, I'm here to show you that it's possible. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Assess your finances. Before looking at homes, check your financial situation. Here's what you need to do. Review your income, debt, and expenses. Check your credit score. It impacts your mortgage approval. Start saving for a down payment and closing costs. Step 2. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Pre-approval shows sellers you're serious and helps you know your price range. A lender will assess your income and employment history, debt to income ratio, credit report, all that to be able to get you pre-approved for a mortgage. Step 3. Define your home needs and wants. Think about what's essential in your future home. Location, close to work, schools, transit, size, condo, townhouses, or detached homes. Features, number of bedrooms, backyards, parking. Step 4. Work with a real estate agent. A bit about myself. I bought my first home 13 years ago and have owned and rented since, so I know the process from A to Z. With 5 years in the mortgage world and now as a licensed real estate agent, I am here to help you find a place to call home. Step 5. Start house hunting. Time to explore listings, visit homes, and imagine yourself in a different space. Keep an open mind and stay within your budget. Step 6. Make an offer. Negotiate once you find the right home. Submit a competitive offer. Negotiate terms and conditions, and arrange a home inspection. It is so important. And finally, step 7, finalize your mortgage and close the deal. Your lender will finalize your mortgage and you'll sign legal documents. Then on closing day, the key to your new home are all yours. Let's connect whether you're ready to start or just exploring your options. I'd love to chat. Send me a message and let's take the first step towards making your home ownership dreams a reality.